Alright, Sunday the 13th of January. Still a little cold out here, but got it painted. Got a couple of places where the black, when I painted the black, went through the paper. I got a touch up like on the gearbox and right around the front. But get some stickers on it, put some blades on it, and she'll be ready to go. I've seen some caps, some blue ones on some new ones. I was going to cut some PVC, but to get it over that I'd have to shorten that, and for right now got 4 water bottles, because if those get rusty and don't turn, and right now they've got ball bearings and they're greased up and they turn good. The blades have a 3/4 offset. Supposed to be 21 inches long. I measure them, they're 20 5/8. It's got a 1/2 inch auger. So new blades are $25 a piece. I might weld mine up, grind them down, sharpen them. Got my PTO painted, slide in and out. Got my cultivator feet for my A, and then I got all my cultivator arms. When I put them on, I will get my A up here. It's not supposed to rain during the week, but there are my feet, my rear arms, and I got to get one more of these brackets. Got a guy out in McCalla that can supposedly match it up. If not, I might have to cast one. The U-bolt ain't the problem and the flat iron ain't the problem, but this one got multiple holes and flat on the back where the slot will go through. So we'll find one or we'll make one. Anyway, get the blades on this one and get it up and get it off of these stands, and I'll put it to use when the weather changes. But them ball bearings helped. Bush Hog wanted $7 a piece for the bushings that go on each side. Ag Supply over in Georgia, $2.50 per bearing. So for $20 I got 8 bearings and put them in, and they roll and grease up real easy. So ready to start putting it to work when the weather gets a little bit nicer. Of course, I could cut all my ryegrass, it's tall enough. But anyhow, appreciate it.